Hi everybody, I thought I'll make a quick video to discuss the one of our pry tools on our website, Pocket Pry Tool. It's made by a guy called Xavier Knox, Echo Delta Charlie is the name of his company, if I can call it that. And he makes this for us from N690 steel, obviously hardened, and then paracord wrapped. As you guys can see, it's got a pointy edge there for prying, and then some more prying on this side, and also you can obviously take out nails and that kind of stuff with it. So one of the concerns, and even myself has find it, that it's although it's a nice pry tool and so on, it's difficult to carry due to the sharp points and the size. It fits into a pocket, but it is a bit of a nuisance that you might push a hole through your pocket when you bend over, or anything like that. So what I've done to make this user friendly, and this I've done with one of the older versions of the pry tool, I think probably the first or second, no, the second range that is done, which has got a few differences which I'll discuss with you guys now. But yeah, so if you put it in like this, you don't want to push a hole into your pouch or push a hole into your pants pocket or wherever you're carrying the pry tool. So basically what we've done is add, this is made from fuel pipe, cut it off. You can put a hole in it, put some paracord through it, and then it fits quite nicely in there. So I'll explain the paracord in a bit. But yeah, so it covers or protects your pocket, either in a pocket protector or in your pants, from pushing through. So you can put this on there nicely, no issues. As you can see, a fuel hose, that's what it's called. Buy it from any sort of spare shop, motor spare shop. Put a hole in it, put a grommet through there, and there it sits. So that's nice for protecting it. So what happened is when you put it, not necessarily in your pocket or pants pocket, but this paracord that I've put on there keeps it from slipping off. So what tends to happen is, before the paracord, if you put it in there and you pull it out, this stays behind. Okay, so with the paracord in there, it makes it obviously looks a bit different as well. But with the paracord in there, you can put it in there and pull it out. So the paracord keeps this from slipping off when you pull it out. So that's the basic idea behind it. And similarly, it's just the right length. So you can just pull it over the point there, as you can see, and keeps that from pulling off. That's basically the idea. As you can see, this is the older version. It's more straight, it doesn't got that bend in it, and it's a little bit thicker as well. But yeah, this is our idea, or a solution for a problem when it comes to the pocket pry bar, made by Xavier Knox. We call it the XK pry bar. Yeah, so if you can make something like that, it looks a bit different, or yeah, different is the right word, I suppose. And it fits nicely in there, and this fits nicely into your pants pocket. So that's an idea. Thank you guys, and see you out there.